alaikum, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today is January 9th, Thursday, January 9th, 2025, and we have snow. Today we have snow. It snowed a lot, like it's a lot, and it's really cold out here. The kids don't have school for 2 days, Thursday and Friday, and us the parents don't have work. I did have to go into work at they're outside.
Yeah.
They play outside.
Yeah, this is the first time seeing snow yeah.
Oh, this is their first time seeing snow. Well, I thought it snows in Pakistan. That's what I thought. No, it doesn't. Oh wow. Right? Their parents are outside too?
No.
Somebody was riding. I saw it on the camera. Somebody was riding a bike, and they tied up a sled on the bike, and they were riding it.
Yeah. Later we're gonna go out too. We're gonna go up the hill and kind of like slide down. That's why I kept the boxes. That's what we were gonna do later. But yeah, it snowed a lot. I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. And I had to go into work at 4 in the morning because there was no snow on the ground, and Walmart expects you to be there. Out there, the majority of the people, actually, let's just say when it's around 4 a.m. there's 4 of us. For the digital team, there's 4 of us, and 3 of the people called in, and 3 of the people called out, and I was the only one that showed up, and it was just me and my boss. So, okay, I had to switch my battery. My battery was dying, so I had a second one that was full of charger. I thought the other one was full of chargers too, but apparently it wasn't. It was dying. But anyways, for the digital team, there's 4 of us. 3 of them called out. So it was just me that showed up, and the overnight crew that was already there. There was nothing on screen for me to do, so they asked me to like kind of work on bags, like make bags for the next day. Thursday and Friday are supposed to be the worst of like the snowstorm. I don't know why they're saying the next day. Walmart is just a weird place, but anyways. I stayed there for like 2 hours. Nobody, it was just my boss that showed up, and he was like, if you want to go home, you can go home. I wasn't feeling well, so I was like, I'm just gonna go home. So I'm here, I'm home. As soon as I got out of the building, it started snowing. Like, it's not like actual snow, it's not the fluffy snow, it's like ice snow. It's a whole bunch of it outside, and it's really cold. I'm just praying that we don't lose power or anything like that, because when it snows like this with Texas power grid and all of that, you can't handle it. So I just hope nothing bad happens. The kids are off from school for 2 days, Thursday and Friday. Saturday is supposed to be good, so we'll see what happens. Right now I just got up an hour ago. My husband is in the kitchen making something for us to eat. It's like 2:08 right now. It's 2:08 right now, so we're just preparing for something to eat. I'm just gonna have some tea because I'm having like indigestion problems. I mentioned that my uncle passed away. He passed away on January the 4th. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have mercy on his soul and grant him the highest rank in Jannah. Allahumma ameen. Yeah, I was there till he took his last breath. We went there on Friday, and we stayed till Saturday, Sunday. I came back to my house on Monday night. All of our family members were in town for the burial and stuff. So alhamdulillah, he has already been buried. It was really cold, y'all. It was bone chilling cold on that day, the day of his burial. But alhamdulillah, we got through it. And I kind of like, I think I got sick from all the people being there for some reason. So it's not only me that got sick. My mom got sick, my aunt, my cousin, and my cousin's stepsister. It was a lot. It was a lot of people that got sick. I'm doing a little okay. I just don't have an appetite. My stomach is kind of acting up funny, but nothing else is going on. I just feel a little bloated, and my tongue has no taste. So, but alhamdulillah, other than that, I'm doing fine. I was praying that I didn't have work. I was like, please Walmart, just say that there's no work on Thursday and Friday, please. On Saturday, this Saturday, January the 11th, we have a gathering to honor my uncle, inshallah. So I'm gonna go back to my cousin's house. That's where we're having it, and hopefully the weather is good by then, and that we're able to come together and make dua for him, inshallah. But as of today, we're gonna enjoy the snow. I'm gonna take the kids outside, and we're gonna play with the snow. There's
No, we're going on. No 3 o'clock.
okay. Who opened my door here? This is how the snow is.
We're going to play.
It's kind of slushy right now, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna freeze overnight. Who is driving at this time? I wouldn't be driving for sure. With these Texas cars, they don't have no Texas, you know, they do have brakes. It's just they don't have snow tires. Here, this is our backyard. It's covered with snow. The snow is slushy, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna freeze overnight because the temperatures just keep on dropping. Look at the houses on the other side. Woo. The snow is slushy out here, but it's kind of starting to it's like rain mixed with snow. So I'm just telling the kids to build a snowman, and we're gonna go back inside because we thought we could sled down the hill and stuff, but it's not gonna be possible. Oh my god, I hope I don't fall down. I hope I don't fall down. Why is the sprinkler thingy out?
It's not the sprinkler, that's the thing for the
What?
light.
Yeah, it's like snow on this. But it's ice. It's not even like snow. Like snow would be fluffy. This is ice. Bro, it's freezing outside. It's so cold. I can't even feel my hands anymore. My fingers are like tingling. And why are you on my rug with your shoes on? You were the one that I couldn't even rest. You like, let's go outside. Let's go outside. You should be out there right now. Okay, then don't say let's go outside. Bro, it's freezing. It's freezing. It's starting to snow again. The slush. They're at the front yard. I don't know why the snow look like this in the backyard. It's like brown stains and look at this. The whole neighborhood is so quiet. It's like we're the only ones outside. Whew. So cold. It is so cold. Whew. Okay. They can't. I'm like trying to tell them to build a snowman outside, but they don't want to build a snowman. I'm like, it's gonna freeze overnight. It's not gonna be like this. Yeah, I'm gonna go inside. Like when you step on the snow, it's slush. Look at this. Let me go inside. Yeah, that's enough snow for the day. Baby! Don't go outside, okay? Don't go outside. It's cold. Let me put this here and lock the door because I'm not going back out there. Yeah, I can't feel my hands. I did some content for TikTok. That's enough. It's cold. It is cold. Subhanallah. Yeah. Titi, baby, don't go outside. Yeah. What, you putting on new socks?
No, it's not new. It's the same.
Please stay outside if you're gonna stay outside. Don't be opening the door back and forth because the heater is gonna come on and I don't want my bills to be crazy. Like gas bill. That's what I'm worried about. Alhamdulillah. You okay? You cold? Go next to the small space heater, baby. Go over there. She's cold. But no, you don't have to go outside. No, no outside. No more outside. You're cold. There's no point in going outside. We put some mittens on her and she keeps taking them off. I'll make her milk. Bro, there's something about my toddler. She loves being around her older sister. Like, she could just ask me for milk, but she decides to go ask her older sister. Am I not your mother? I gave birth to you. Sheesh. Let me get her some milk. I'm gonna wash my hands. Yeah, my camera's wet. Yeah, I'll make it, baby. I'm gonna wash my hands. Go through the garage door. Don't go through the front door. I'm about to lock the front door. Oh, I can't feel my hands. Where's the bottle? What did you say? I think it's better to go sledding tomorrow than today because it looks like everything is slush today. It's not even it looks like, it's a slush. All the ice is slush. So if it stays overnight, by tomorrow morning, it's gonna feel different. Because it's really cold out there. Woo. I hope the homeless people are staying warm. They have a place to stay, a shelter or something, because baby, it's cold. Baby, it's cold outside. Yeah? You good now? You good now? You're not cold anymore? Your first snow in Dallas. And the first snow in Dallas for Titi. Yeah? Yeah? Go take my charger from here. And why is your little purse here? Go take it. What was that? This is her first snow. Like snowing so hard like this. She was a baby. Baby. I'm gonna make her milk. I'm going to make for lunch today. We're just lunch/dinner. We're gonna make some Cornish hen and jasmine rice. We love jasmine rice lately, so we're just gonna make jasmine rice.
Mom, make a lot.
Yeah?
Make a lot.
A lot of jasmine rice?
Yeah, I like jasmine rice. Very good.
I'm about to go back outside because they built a snowman and they want to show me the snowman. So I'm going back outside.
We already got a carrot.
Oh, I got one too. He needs eyes.
Mom, you know the neighbor down the street?
Eh.
Oh, they made a huge one of pig.
Yeah, you can too.
That was hard.
Outside. Stay inside. Don't let her come outside. Let's go. I'm gonna see what they built. Oh my! You guys put a hat on him? Let's see. But he's a small one though. He's very small. What is the eyes? Oh, buttons. Okay. It looks nice. It's not bad. Oh, came back inside. I can't stay out there, y'all. It's just, ooh, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold. They built a mini snowman. Now they're working on their second snowman, a bigger one. And I don't know why my door is open. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they're building a bigger snowman because our neighbors built big snowmen. Why is it blurry? Yeah, our neighbors built a bigger snowman next to their mailbox. And there's like another neighbor that's working on one too. So the kids decided to build a second one that's big too. They're competing with each other. Who built the biggest snowman? Yeah. Where are you going? Where's she going?
You can't go.
What is wrong with you? Come sit down. No, this girl does not want me. She only wants her sister. What is wrong with you? Come sit down. My hands, y'all, my hands. I got some videos of them working on the snowman. Just ignore this girl in the background, y'all. Just ignore her. She is just something else. This is them working on the snowman. What is wrong with you? We're watching the news. The street outreach manager, our calling. Oh, okay. I'm about to make jasmine rice. Got my water here. Put a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna add some oil in there. I'm gonna let the water boil first, then I'm gonna add the rice later, inshallah. Just waiting on this chicken to cook. Once the chicken is ready, we have our dinner. Because right now it's like 6:01. It took me a while to prepare everything, so it's 6:01. We had some leftovers for lunch, so Just waiting on this chicken to boil a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the cabbages that I just chopped up, and I'm also gonna add some green beans over here, and I got here a zucchini. I'm gonna pop this in the air fryer because I like when the zucchini is like cooked in the air fryer. It just has a whole different taste to it. So that's gonna be for our dinner. I'm gonna get back to you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm waiting on the chicken to cook. I also already popped the zucchini, and I decided to put the green beans also in the air fryer, kind of get them a little bit toasted in there. And that'll be it for today. I'm gonna call it off a day. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little, I don't know what I'm gonna name it, a mini vlog or whatever. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you're new here and you made it all the way here and you're not subscribed, please be sure to consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up, and please share my content on your social media platforms so we can get many people on here. Thank you so much for your support. I don't take you guys for granted. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will see you guys in my other video. I'm gonna watch a show. I've been watching a show on Netflix, the Chinese show, so it's on the it's almost the finale, so I'm gonna watch that show and enjoy my time with my family. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.